drawing paper so
Hello everyone, good morning. Everyone, is my screen and my voice clear? Just give me a thumbs up. Yes, okay everyone. Check your names everyone. Okay Pavika, you can use your oil pastels only. So everyone, I hope you have kept all the materials ready. We are going to use both oil pastels and paints. Okay, paints you can use watercolors or acrylic colors, any will do, or poster colors. So everyone, tomorrow is Independence Day. So we are going to make artwork related to Independence Day today. Can we start? Everyone is ready. Keep a big size scale with you. Yes. And everyone, draw it big. Hold your book in a horizontal manner first. Come on. Yes, Tasvika. Yes, very good. So everyone, what are things we are going to add? We are going to show hand first, holding national flag, okay, and a dove bird on left side, okay. And in the background, we are going to use orange and green color. For this, we will be using cotton, okay. Yes. So we will start with the drawing first, everyone. Keep a permanent marker also with you, as we are using paint. Let's start. So we will start with the hand first, everyone. Observe the step. Okay, I will show first, then you have to observe and then start. Yes, let's see. So we'll start with this line first, everyone. Slight curve line. So let's check its position from the center of our page. On left side, we have to add, okay, on this part. Draw it big. Half of the part of the page, you have to, that much big it should be, okay, in height. Yes, let's see this curve now. From center on left, slight curve line. Don't make a semicircle, okay? Slight curve. If you want distance from down, see my height is going to be 14 centimeter, almost 14. Okay. Yes, use scale for your reference to check the height. From center on left side. Yes, come on everyone, start with the curve and just show me. Let me check its position. Yes, okay Vedika. Okay Mishita. Yes, 14 centimeter height. Yes, okay Yashika. Yes, very good, it's perfect. Now see, we have to extend this line going down. See the line everyone, little bit going outwards. Slight curve, don't use scale. Join it down. Come on Shreyan. Come on Nisha, Ron, Anisha. Yes, join it down everyone. I will just quickly repeat this step. Okay, observe it here once again. From center on left side, slight curve line. Okay, for this part. Now next line, going little outwards like this. Okay, got it everyone? Any doubt till here? Okay, very good. Nice. Now we will start with the fingers. Okay, 4 fingers we will add here and thumb part on right side. Okay, Mishita. Observe here everyone. See, we have to start from here. Again, curve line. Okay, you have to keep in mind a U shape while drawing this. U shape. Like this, we have to add 4 times. See, next U shape. Make a curve, line going inside. Third one, line going inside. And next finger here, make this part little small. Okay, 4 times U shape. Let's draw this part together now. Use your pencil only, okay? Come on. First, start from here. Curve line. Come on, Aradhya, Dhwani, Jivika. Yes, very good, Ishani. Perfect. Come on, Adharv. Yes, Dhwani, perfect. Let's make a U shape. Come on, Yashika. Yes, Anvi, good. And we just check that here you have enough space. Don't make these lines big. Yes, come on, Michelle. Line going inside. Yes, Aishani, come on. Nisha, Ron. Show me once completed, everyone. Come on. Yes, Jivika. Yes, great. Yes, Arna, done. Pritisha, got it. Anusha, Gargi, Shrivarshini, Tasvika, good. Okay, just check that here you have enough space, at least 2 finger distance gap. Yes. Yes, Dhwani, Gargi, correct. Nice, Ojal. Perfect. Check this line, everyone. Yes, Yashika, good. Now, everyone, before starting the thumb part, we will draw this part first of the flag. Take your scale. Now we have to add slanting line, everyone. Okay, you can see the line is not proper standing. It's slanting line. See, everyone, place it like this, slanting. You can use the entire space. Okay, see here. Take this dot as a reference where the line ends. Then place your scale in a slanting manner like this. Slanting manner. Hold it tight and then add a line. See, take this as a reference and then add slanting line. Use scale. Come on, Anna. Yes. See everyone, on top I have left very small space, okay, for adding the curve part. Okay. Yes, come on. Use the entire space. Come on, Riddhi. Yes, Vedika, no problem. See, first you can add 15 centimeter line. Again, place it and then add next line. See like this. First connect this part. Then Take this as a reference again, and then upside, draw the upper part. Yes, correct, Aradhya. Everyone, this is the first line. We have to add second line also by leaving very small space. See, it should be at least 1.5 centimeter. Okay, if you want, you can add reference dot for 1.5 space and then start with the line. Slanting line only, same type. Try to maintain the gap. See, continue with this. Once done, show me. I'm waiting. Yes, Ishani, correct. Tasvika. Yes, Ron, Arna. You can connect this part with a slight curve. No, Tasvika, we are going to add thumb part. We have not added it yet. Come on, Twani. Everyone show me this part once done. Yes, Chivika, good. Yes, Anvi. Now we will complete the thumb part of the hand. Okay, observe it. Yes, see, take this the center of this finger as a reference. Okay, from here we have to start first curve. Okay, big it will be. Next, small curve. Little bit going inside. Okay, and then a line going down in a slanting manner. Draw it freehand without scale. Yes, it should go outwards, everyone. Okay, on right side. Yes, Vedika, little bit, see, it's going on right side. Yes, Anvi, slightly, you can see here, Anvi, gap is less. Come on, Amog, Ojal, correct, Riddhi. Yes, I'm just repeating the part, okay? Yes, Anvi, Ishani. See here first. Place your scale in a slanting manner. Take this end as a reference. Yes, Aishani, it's perfect. Good. Place it slanting. Take this dot as a reference and add a line. Okay. Second line, you can keep 1.5 centimeter gap. Add second line like this. Join it with a curve. Now I'm showing the thumb part. Good, Dhwani, it's correct. Take the center of this. Big curve. Then small curve, which is going inwards. Like this. Okay. And then line going little outwards. Very good, Anusha. Come on, Mahi, Amog. Done. Yes, Yashika, Adhar, show me. Yashika, it's correct. Yes, take your time. Check your lines, everyone. Pratisha, Mishita, done. Yes, Aradhya, good. Correct, Mishita, nice. Yes, great, everyone. Vedika, for the thumb part, you have to use two curves. First curve will be little big, like this. Okay, and the second curve little going inwards in this way, and then line going down. Okay. Yes, Ojal, correct. Can we move forward? Good, Pavika. Done, Pratisha. Any doubt, anyone? Let me know before we start with the next part. Ishani, good. Yes, Jivika, mantra done. Now we will start with the flag. Okay, you can see we have to use a wavy line. Okay, use the entire space which is available here. Good mantra. Just don't join to the end of the side of your page. Leave very small space here. Okay, observe it first and then start. See, take this end as a reference where the line ends. Okay, see the line like a S. Make it big. Okay, Pratisha. Come on, everyone. Yes, correct, Ishani. Nesha doing it. Yes, good. Aradhya, correct. Ridhima, correct. Yes, I'm not joining it to the side, okay? Small gap. Correct, Ojal. Yes, now everyone, in the same way, we have to add more 3 lines, okay? See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 lines we want in the same way. So you have to take your first line as a reference, and similarly, you have to add next 3 lines, okay? Observe here first. I'm leaving some space. I'm following same line again. See, wavy line. Use nice curves. Yes, Nishita, try to keep equal space. Very good, Sai. Come on. 4 lines, everyone. Yes, Nishita, you can. Okay. Now see the 4th line. You can start from here also, from the hand, no problem. Yes, come on, keep doing, everyone. Check the curve lines, make it nice and curve. Yes, Mishal. Yes, Ishani, good. Come on, Tasvika, correct mantra. Good. See here, everyone. This part you can join with scale, okay? The line. Here we will get slanting line, everyone, like this. Slanting line. Come on, Riddhi, Yashika. Ron. Yes, come on. Complete 4 lines. Very good, Anvi. Ishani, correct. Good, Ron, correct. I'm showing the lines again here. You can observe. Come on, Shreyan, Varnika, correct. Start from this end. line like a S, second line, third line, and fourth line. Okay, good Vedika, correct. Come on, Varnika, Nyesha. Everyone see this part. Here you have to use slanting line, okay? Nice, Aradhya. Exactly in the middle part, add Ashok Chakra. Use a circle connecting both the lines exactly in the center. Yes, try drawing circle freehand. Come on, Jenica. Take the center, everyone. Your circle should touch both the lines. Okay, second and third line. Come on, Eva. Come on, Anvi, Gargi, Pratisha. Yes, correct, Ishani. Check that it's proper circle, everyone. Complete circle. Yes, Adna, good. Yes, Anvi, nice. Very good, Ojal. It's perfect. Yes, Aishani, correct. Yashika, Shreyan, done. Now, everyone, you know, in Ashok Chakra, there are 24 lines, but here the Ashok Chakra is small, so we can't make all 24 lines. Okay, at least to make 12 lines, everyone. It should not look overcrowded. Each and every line should be clearly visible. Okay, come on, Vedika. See, everyone, I'm adding one line between them. Let's see this part again. See, first you can make a plus sign. Okay, divided in two half first. Yes, okay, Arna. Make a plus sign. See, plus sign. Yes, very good, Ishani. Ojal. Now make a X like this. Very good, Ojal. Now between all parts, you have to add just one line like this. Just one line between them. Come on, Sai. Srivarshini. Yes, Gargi. Jivika. Okay, Anusha, good. Add one line. See if you can add. Okay, Yashika. Yes. Any doubt in this, anyone getting the line part? Very good, Eva. Okay, Mishita, Anna. Great. Okay, Anvi. Any doubt in the Ashok Chakra part? Anyone? Yes, Mishita, good. Very good, Anusha. Great. Now, everyone, we will start with the bird on left side. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes, Jenica. Yes, observe the step first. Come on, Mahi. See everyone, left side, you have to add We will first start with the face. Observe it. Make a U shape, or you can add a circle. Okay. Now observe. You can make a line like this. This will be the just reference line. Okay. We will erase this part later. Tail part. Again, U shapes we have to use. At least 3 or 4. Three or 4. Okay. Yes, and we then connect these two ends with a semicircular curve like this. Everyone just observe the shape, then we will start together. Okay. Let's see the wings from this line, slightly extended. Line going up. First line, second line, like this. Now the feather effect, same semicircles we have to use, but in a slanting manner. See here, first curve, second curve, third, like this we have to add till here. If you have space here, you can connect it. Okay. Second wing will not be visible completely, just a small part we will add. Same type of line again by leaving small space. Make a curve here like this and join it down. Add a circle and a beak like this. Okay. Can we start, everyone? Come on, draw it big. First step, let's start with the face, everyone. So from hand, we have to leave some space and then start. Very good, Anvi, Vedika. Good, you have done. Start with the face, come on. Yes, Shani. Very good, Sai. Sai, just check the tail part. Little bit, make it small. Extend this line. Very good, Ishani. Tail part should be big, Ishani. Yes, Anusha, you can. You can add 2 birds if you want. Okay. Yes. If you want to show it down here also, you can add. Yes. Come on, let's continue. Next step, what we did, we have added this line. Okay. Then we have completed the tail. Come on, everyone. Very good, Arna. It's correct. Now connect these two ends with a curve, semicircular curve. Come on, Ron. Next step, we have to start with the wing. From this end, leave some space. First line, second line. Then we have to start with the feather effect, slanting manner. First curve, now second curve. Like this, go down. Okay. Yes, Riddhi. Erase this part, everyone. Second wing. Follow this line again. eye, and beak. Yes, come on, everyone. Show me if you are done. Come on, Varnika. Yes, very good, Gargi. Yes, Aradhya, Nyesha, good. I'm just keeping one bird. Okay, Riddhi. On left, right side, if you have space, you can add because we are going to do background painting also. So check that it's not overcrowded. You should be able to use cotton easily. Yes. Eva, good. Yes, just show me everyone. Our drawing part is completed here. Add the details directly with the paint. Yes. Good, Anvi. Aishani. Let me know if you have any doubt. Adwani, just make the tail part big. Other things correct? Yes. Ishani, correct. Done, Sai. Corrected the tail. Yes, Sai, you can use it. Yes, Tasvika, everyone, if you are completed, just show me so you can start with the tracing. Okay. Yes, I'm just showing bird once again. Others can start tracing. Okay. Yes, Anusha, good. See here. First curve. Add a slanting line. Observing it, Tasvika. Start with the tail part. You can make 3 or 4 parts. Join it with a curve. Yes, Anvi. Come on, Adhar. Now see the wing. Extend this line. First line, second line. Yes, Eva. And then curves going down. Join this part, second wing part, like this. Yes, Vedika, everyone, we are using permanent marker. So you have to keep newspaper under your sheet before tracing. Come on, mantra done. Yes, you can use a pointed tip or a broad tip marker. Come on, mantra. Good, Tasvika, Yashika. Come on, Michelle, start with the tracing. Yes. Starting with the bird first. Yes, Riddhi. Keep doing, everyone. Come on. Permanent marker. Come on, Pratisha. Varshi, Varshini. Jenica. Youth scale for the line. Manyasha, Mahi, Jivika. Done, Sai. Mishita, number 6 or number 8? Any will do. Come on, keep doing, everyone. Those who are completed, erase your pencil lines. Yes, you have to do the Ashok Chakra lines also with marker. Check that all the lines are clear. Maintain gap. Yes, very good, Anvi. Yes, very good, Aradhya. Come on, Ron. Done, Yasha. Jivika. Come on, Amog, Nirvika. Yes, you are correct. Check your pencil lines. If they are visible, erase them. I'm waiting. Take your time. Just let me know once you are done. Yes, very good, Vedika. Yes, Mishal. Yes, okay, Jenica, Nesha, good. You can remove your newspaper after tracing. Yes, correct, Adhar. Nice, Ishani. Okay, Mishita. Mishita, just trace flag because we are going to use oil pastel for that. Yes, Varnika, good. Everyone, just the background part we will do with paint. Other part we will be coloring it with oil pastel. Okay. Yes, come on. Yes, very good, Anna. Come on, keep oil pastels ready first. Yes, come on. We will first take out the colors which are required. Okay. Shreya, done. Yes, correct, Shreyan. Okay. So everyone, the top band of the flag is the saffron color or a orange color. So we will take out the colors. We will be using 3 shades here. Okay, you can see the dark to light effect. For this, we'll be using 3 colors. Let's take out. Yes. So first everyone take your orange color out, normal orange. Vidika, you can take any 6 or 8. Orange color. Then take out scarlet color, everyone. If you don't have scarlet, take vermilion hue. See, scarlet, normal orange, and deep yellow color. These 3 shades required here. Scarlet, orange, and deep yellow. Yes, just let me know once you're ready with the 3 colors. If you don't have scarlet, you can take vermilion hue. Yes, correct, Vedika. Any doubt in the colors? Any shade you don't have? Yes, Ishani. Okay. Yes, okay, ready? Yes, so everyone see, we will start with the dark color first. Observe it. Scarlet color I'm using. Yes, deep yellow, Anna. Yes, see here, everyone. We have to start dark color from left side. We have to fill small part. Observe. Don't make the entire border, okay, because we are working in patches. Medium pressure. Yes, Gargi. First, everyone observe. We have to color left to right, okay? Yes, we are using scarlet for dark effect. Don't take red, okay? Vermilion or scarlet. See here, you can see my strokes. They are going left to right. I'm using scarlet color. Left to right. Okay, like this we have to complete first color. Don't use magenta, Rasika. Okay, observing everyone. Only this much part we have to do. After this, we will take orange. Just observe for now. While starting with the orange, we don't want partition line between them. Okay, so what we will do, we will overlap the colors little bit. See, I'm going over the scarlet with orange so that it will get mixed. See here, everyone. I'm using orange on scarlet. No, Arna, start with this. And then continue. Middle patch. Maintaining the direction, everyone. Yes, come on, everyone. You can start. Start with the first color. I'm waiting here. Yes, come on, start. Yes. Okay, Anvi, come on, Aishani. Vedika, use orange more. Yes, correct, Nishita. Ishani, use more orange. Riddhi, correct. Come on, Vedant. Mantra. Yes, good, Vedika. See everyone, for the deep yellow part, the light part, we want very small space. Okay, maximum part should be with orange. Leave very small space for last color. Yes, Pavika. Come on, Dwani. Correct, Ishani. Now it's okay. Correct, Vedika. Don't leave any white space, everyone. Mahi, correct. Yes, Jivika. Okay. Now last color. See, start from orange part. Overlap the colors and fill the light color completely. This is deep yellow color. Yes, Tasvika, deep yellow. Yes, correct. Come on, everyone. Complete it like this. Come on, Michelle. Check the white spaces, everyone. No, Mishita, we are not using cloth. Everyone don't use cloth, okay? Otherwise your color will go outside the border. Yes, just show me the first part if you are completed. Let me check the color mixing. Yes, Ishani correct. Nirvika, Arna good. Nice, everyone. You have got the effect. Very nice. Yes, got it, everyone. Any doubt? Okay, Ojal Aradhya. Great. Yes, now everyone, the middle part is white, but we are not going to keep it complete white. We will be using some gray and white color here. Okay. Yes, so observe this first. Good, Anusha. See here, everyone. I am taking normal gray and white. Normal gray. Okay, it's only gray, not dark gray and white. Observe the step first and then start. See here, use gray color very lightly. Okay, that means light pressure on it. See, I'm doing its border. All the four side border. Okay, if you don't have gray, you can use blue color very lightly. Okay, don't use black. Or else see if you have gray color in your watercolors, you can do that part with watercolor when we start with the painting. See here everyone, all four side border very lightly. And then I'm filling small part from left side. See, very lightly on both the sides. Only this much you have to do. Okay. What we did first, all four side border very lightly. Fill small part from left and right side. And then use white color completely. Go all over the part. See, go all over the part, even on white part and as well as gray. So it will become smooth, everyone. No need to use cloth. Just do normal coloring. Yes, don't go with the Ashok Chakra. Yes, come on. Do on the white part also. It will become smooth. Yes, Vedika. Yes, everyone, you can start now. First, gray color. Yes, Yashika, good. Don't use black or dark gray, normal gray. No, Vishal. Correct, Anvi. Yes. Come on, Ron. Correct, Mahi. Okay, Ojal. Okay, Pavika, just use gray color. Okay. Yes. Okay, Eva, Mishita, nice. Good effect. Yes, don't use your fingers or cloth on it. Good, Aishani. Now we have to use blue color, everyone. If you have a navy blue, you can take that, or else you can take ultramarine blue. Ultramarine blue I have taken. Yes. Now see how we have to do the Ashok Chakra. We have to just go on the lines like this. But don't forget, we want white part to be visible clearly. Just go on the lines and circle. Don't fill it completely, everyone. Just go over the lines. Blue color. Yes, outer circle also. See, this circle also we have to do inside part of the circle. In this way, do it slowly. Check white space is visible. Yes, Ishani, do the outer circle also. Yes, Mahi, correct. Shreyan, don't fill it. We want white space. Or else you can do with sketch pen afterwards if it's difficult to use oil pastel. Okay, but white space is important. Yes, good, Mishita. Come on, Srivarshini, Mantra, Dwani, Sai. Yes, Nishita. Nice, Yashika, correct. Correct, Ojal. Everyone got this part? Correct. Can we move forward? Can we start with the third part? Green color. Yes. Now you can take out colors. We want again 3 colors. Yes. Good, Mantra. You can take out the colors with me, everyone. See, first color we need is a Prussian green. Prussian green. Take out. Prussian green. If you don't have, take dark green. Yes, Prussian green. Then deep green color. Deep green. Yes. And the last color, leaf green. If you don't have leaf green, you can take light green. Okay, I'm repeating the colors. First, Prussian green. Second, deep green, and last, leaf green. No, Anvi, don't take sap green. Yes. You can take dark green if you don't have. If you don't have Prussian green, you can just use two colors, dark green and light green. No problem. Yes, Arna, you can use them. Okay. Now, first color we are going to start is a Prussian green. Take that color, everyone. We have to follow same step like orange part. Okay. Prussian green, just like we use scarlet. Okay. So let's do this part together now. You can use this part as a reference. Same type we have to do here. Come on, let's do it. It's Prussian green. Come on, Shreyan. And we take dark green and light green color. Okay, just use two colors, no problem. Yes, come on, everyone. Left to right coloring. It's Prussian green. First color. Okay, just like scarlet, I've used it here. Don't go forward. Only small part. We have to use three colors. Yes, correct, Ishani. Come on, Pavika. Okay, Mantra, you can go slightly more forward if you are using just two colors. Come on, Amog, Ron, Anusha. Yes. Okay, Eva. Next color will be deep green or a dark green color. Just like orange, we have to use. See everyone, while starting, overlap the color first. See, overlap. And then continue. Very good, Anvi. Nice. Yes, Mahi, very good. Don't go outside the border, everyone. Yes, continue with the color. Maximum part with this. Yes, Pavika, good. Okay, leave small part for the last color. Good, Ishani, Eva. Now last color is leaf green. Yes, fill this part completely, everyone. Overlap the colors. Very good, Anna. This is leaf green, Vedika. You can take light green. Okay, come on, complete it like this. Remove all the color particles. And just show me. Yes, Vedika, good. Nice, Ishani. Ishani, make this line little even using a dark color. Gargi, good. Yes, very good, Anna. Very good, Aradhya. Tasvika. Yes, Yashika. Correct. Varnika done. Any doubt in the green color part? Anyone? Everyone got the effect? Good, Yashika. Nice, Nirvika. Yes, Shreya and Ojal, perfect. Nice work. Good, Ishani. Now it's perfect. Can we start with the next part, everyone? Done with the flag? Yes. Okay, Varnika. Everyone don't use your hand on it. Okay. Yes. Now we will start with the stick part and hand. Good, Riddhi. Yes. So everyone, let's see the colors for the stick. Take out your dark brown color and light brown color. If you want to change the color, you can. You can use dark gray and light gray if you want. Okay. Or else light brown and dark brown combination. Yes. Great mantra. Now see everyone. I'm keeping my book like this. Don't keep your hand on the colored part. Okay. See here. Half part will be dark brown. Normal coloring everyone. Don't use cloth. See, just half part. Continue down. Yes, you can use yellow ochre if you don't have light brown. Okay. Yes, see half part. And the next half with light brown color. Don't leave white space. Go all over the part. Come on, you can start. Okay, it will look like this. Come on, Tasvika, start doing. Come on, Adharv. Yes, you can take yellow ochre. Somil, dark brown. Yeah, and light brown color. Half part. Correct, Vedika. Good, Eva. Done, Nirvika. Yes. Update me, everyone, if completed. Good, Ron. Okay. Nice, Ojal. Now, everyone, we'll start with the skin color. Done. Yes. Now, everyone, you can take your flesh tint color or a Simon pink color from your set. Okay, Riddhi. I'm taking Simon pink here. See here, everyone. Take light brown and Simon pink or a yellow ochre or and flesh tint. Any will do. Light brown and Simon pink. Okay. See everyone, what we are going to do first. We will take light brown or a yellow ochre and start doing its border. Border first. We are adding dark effect. See, border using light brown or a yellow ochre so that it will look more realistic, everyone. Like this. Complete the part first. Come on, Pratisha, Srivarshini, Nishita, Mantra. Yes, Amo, correct. And then you can use your flesh tint or a Simon Pink. I'm using Simon Pink and fill the part completely. Mahi, first light brown and then Simon Pink. Come on, everyone. No problem if your sketch pen lines are becoming blur. You can make them clear later. Yes, Riddhi. Come on, Ridhima. Come on, Pavika. It's light brown and Simon Pink, Ridhima. Okay. Yes, correct, Vedika. Vedika, thumb part. Yes, good, Mishita. Or Ridhima for the green part. It's Prussian blue first, then deep green and leaf green. Correct, Ishani. Yes, very nicely done, everyone. Good. Yes. Now, everyone, for the bird, you have to take light blue color or a cobalt blue. See, very few parts we have to do with the blue because the bird is white. See, everyone, just on the curve part of the wing, I'm using little light blue with light pressure. See here, very lightly. Okay, small part on the head and this curve line. Okay, only this much part we have to do with blue. Do this part first, then we will use white color on it. Beak will be orange. Yes, come on, Sai. Pavika, Nesha, Shivika. Okay, yes, it's light blue color. See everyone, now I'm using white color all over the part. Okay, complete the bird with white. Go all over the part on blue as well as white part. Yes, you can use cobalt blue or a light blue. Remove the particles and you can make these lines clear with your pencil. You can do this step at last, but don't forget. Don't do with marker, pencil only. Okay, come on. Eye part also. Done, Sai. Everyone, update me. Our oil pastel part is completed here. Yes, very good, Ishani. Correct, Arna. Good work, Pratisha. Come on, everyone. You can keep your watercolors ready for the next. Aishani, Mahi, correct? Watercolors, any paints that you are going to use, keep them ready. Good, Ron. Yes, come on. Get ready. Yes, very good, Vedan. Nicely done. I'm using watercolors Rhythma, and for the flowers, I will be using acrylic. Okay. One, get ready. So everyone, we will start from top part. Okay. Top part will be orange. It's okay, Vedika. You can use watercolors or poster colors. Okay. Yes. So first color orange. So everyone, let's add water in it. Those are using bottle colors. Use its cap or a palette and take some color in that and add water. Okay. Adding water in orange and green. If you're going to use only watercolors, add water in yellow also. Okay. Yes. Keep cotton ready. 2 cotton balls we need, everyone. Make 2 cotton balls. Medium size, okay? Not too big, not too small. Yes, very good. Okay, make it a round, everyone. Nice. Now, first we will use orange color on top part. Yes, dark green color, Vedika. Now see here how we have to do. Keep a tissue or a cloth with you. Now I'm dipping this cotton ball in water. Squeeze excess water from it. Okay. Yes, nicely squeeze it. Hold it in your other hand and using brush, you have to load orange color on it. For loading color, you can take any brush. I'm using number 6. See everyone, load color like this on it at least 3 to 4 times. Come on everyone, do it. Don't dip your cotton directly in color. Use brush. Yes, come on. Make your cotton ready. Orange color. Yes, correct, Ishani. Done, Mantra. Now, everyone, we have to fill small patch from top. Okay, we have to use dabbing method. Observe it first. See, holding it in other hand now. Hold your book tight. See, start from left side top. You have to dab like this. Every time lift your hand. Okay, see, dab. Don't leave white space. If you feel that there is less color, load color again. Okay, it should not be watery. Your orange color should be visible properly, dark enough. Yes, come on. Don't fill it completely, just top patch. Okay, you can take the bird as a reference. Till here you have to do orange. Continue the top part if you have space. I need to load color again. It's getting light. Load color if required, everyone. Add some water and color. And then continue. Middle part, we want to keep it white as it is. Come on, complete the orange part and show me. Yes, come on, Tasvika, check the white spaces. No problem if you go on oil pastel part. You can just use your tissue paper. It will come off because they are waterproof. As well as we have used permanent markers, so it will not get mixed. Okay. Yes, and we good. Come on, make a nice background, everyone. Yes, Vedika, check the right part. Correct, Mishita. Perfect. Dabbing method. Yes. Okay, Arna. Done, Anusha. Everyone, show me the first part. Done, Srivarshini, Shreyan. Yes. Good, Yashika. Perfect. Correct, Gargi. Now, everyone, middle part, keep it white. Now, we will start with the dark green color from down. Okay. Come on. Next cotton ball you have to take. Same step you have to follow. Let's dip it in water. Squeeze all the excess water from it. Come on. Nirvika, Ron. Now I'm mixing dark green. Load color on it. Dark green color. 3 to 4 times. Everyone take fresh cotton, okay? Don't use the same. Okay, like this. Yes, come on, do this part. Come on, Amog. You have to start from down, okay? See, down corner part, dark green color, dabbing. See the middle part, completely white. I'm loading the color again. Check that it's not light, everyone. No need to add reference line, okay? Let it be little uneven, up and down. It will look nice. Come on, continue. Don't apply much pressure. Come on, keep doing. Left to right. Middle part should be white. Doing it, everyone. Started with the green. Yes, take color if required. Come on. Check the white spaces. Okay. Complete it like this, everyone. Come on, Ron. Come on, Pratisha. Jivika, Aishani. Yes, keep doing, everyone. I'm waiting. Yes, Tasvika, perfect. Nice work, Mahi. Good. Nice, Arna, Vedika. Come on, Mishal, Gargi, Mishita, good. Nishika, good. Yes, Ron, it's correct. You can make it little uneven, up and down. Very good, Mishita. Everyone, make this line little uneven. Okay. Yes, up and down. Nirvika, correct. Very nice. Nice, Aishani. Now, everyone, see, as we have used cotton, it gets dried quickly. If your work is not dried here, you can do the grass part afterwards. See how we have to make grass. I'm taking dark green color. Very good, Ron. Now it's perfect. Dark green color I'm taking in my brush. And see how we have to make grass strokes. Observe. See, down to up like this. Some big and some small grass strokes we have to make on this line using dark green. Like this we have to continue. Make some strokes small, some big. Hold your brush straight, 90 degrees straight. Just use the tip of your brush down to up. Okay. Yes, come on. Use the same color, or if you have any other dark green or a sap green, you can use that. You have to see that it's clearly visible. Use good amount of color. Yes, Tasvika, dark green. At least make 4 grasses. Arna, just check that it's visible. If your light green is visible, you can use that. Yes, use good amount of color, thick color, then only it will be visible. Yes, come on. Very good, Anvi. Perfect. Okay, Arna. Come on, Pratisha. Everyone, grass strokes, adding it. Tasvika, down to up stroke, down to up. Yes, Aishani. Yes, down to up stroke, little curve. Yes, Gargi, we are going to add flowers. Ishani, perfect. Everyone, for flowers, you can take any color of your choice, but prefer using light color. I'm using yellow for it. If you have poster color or a tempera color, you can use that. Okay. I'm using yellow acrylic color. I'm taking some color in my cap. Okay. And using cotton bud for it. Dip your cotton bud in water. See here, everyone. Observe it first. Take good amount of color. And on the grass part, you can add dots like this. In a set of 3, you can use pink or a red. 3 dots. Yes, if you want to do with brush, you can. Take a smaller number brush and just add dots like this. It will give you same effect. Okay. Yes, come on, continue everyone. We have to go on green and orange part. Check that the color is clearly visible, everyone. You can also use white if you want instead of yellow. Come on, Vani, Somil. Yes, I'm using acrylic color directly. Yes, Yashika, poster colors, tempera colors. First, we dip cotton bud in water so that it absorbs color. Same step you have to follow while using tempera colors. Same I'm doing on orange part. Yes, keep doing everyone. Keep doing, come on. Orange. Come on, Anvi, Tasvika, Ishani. 。 Everyone, we have to click a nice group picture with this artwork, okay? So at last, everyone hold your work in your hand and let's click a nice picture. So wait for some time, okay? In a minute, we will click the picture. Yes, like this you have to complete. Yes, come on. Everybody is completed. Yes. Hold your book in your hand, everyone. Your face should be also visible. Give me a wide smile. Come on, hold it. Little bit close, everyone. Come close. Come on, Mishita, Shreyan, Dwani, Vedant. Open your cameras, everyone. Yes, your drawing as well as your face should be visible. It's okay, it's not completed. Just hold it in your hand. Okay, no worries if it's incomplete. Come on, hold it. Ojal, Shrivarshini, Mahi, Somil. Hold it, everyone. Yes, give me a wide smile. Come on, Mahi. Yes, very nice. One more time, everyone hold. Yes. Ojal, hold it. Do it afterwards. Yes. Very good, everyone. Perfect picture. If you want, you can write name. Okay. Name and date if you want, you can write. I hope you liked it, everyone. So this picture will be posted tomorrow on the class page. We'll share on group also. Okay. Yes. So tomorrow, everyone, we are going to do brush sketch pen artwork. So we'll be doing this artwork tomorrow. We need brush sketch pens. If you don't have brush sketch pen set, you can use oil pastels or watercolors. Okay. Not to worry if you don't have. Yes, Varnika, good. Brush sketch pens are required tomorrow, everyone, and permanent marker. Okay. Yes. Everybody is completed. Okay, everyone. Good, Tasvika. So do share your work in group as well as personally to me. Okay. So that I can post it tomorrow, everyone. Yes, everyone, let's end the class here for today. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Good, Mahi.